Hello everyone, you are all welcome back to our channel. You are welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching this video from. Guys, in this channel we bring out amazing video, wonderful video, interesting videos. Please do subscribe so that you can see more videos in this channel. As you do so, God bless you. Okay guys, I'm going to leave you to watch this video. Please do comment down below according to the video. As you do so, God bless you. So guys, I leave you. Please watch this video till the ending and see you all in my next video. Bye guys, thank you all.
Naija was she were then so. Naija was she were then so. It's wrong. When it's wrong, who will prefer? It's wrong. When it's wrong, who will prefer? It's wrong. When it's wrong, who will prefer? It's wrong.
Swag. Monica me uyeme. Monica me uyeme. Monica me uyeme. Iwe Moduwa me bia yo Monica me uyeme. Monica me uyeme. Monica me uyeme. On a dit viens bourré.
Il vient
pour voir ton réo.
Gunuani we mandeke. Uri de guna ozuorumako. The same a precious meg no wele le boato hiana. Uye beyese. Ogboma yese progressive union. Ogboma yese. Ewa ye gwe ebia ye ban. Precious meg wa gbaswe. E Monica na go yebe. If you need the same precious meg you will la no tower. Where I post a picture with my name be my mic, I post a picture there. Who forgive him man who post a picture there. I call you a weko. Who there are no fake life. Who are calling? No, you do a lenu one, you do a one because why? Because you are cocoa for those most no ya good. Who there are no fake life people. Where you don't do a one or what pay you are. My way at the house, more zose me also say I choose my friend doesn't choose me. Understand me now? Well, boy, more what pay you are a doy. What going? When they beggy, he no get beggar, he no get we, he no get kuruku. Kueki be a galomama, you what be a geromana, below and Roma, move you what was your live video. What pay you are what beef you know. One is if you go dig yakin, we didn't your live video. And I'm about disappointed. No, he called it live video. I go. Mewa what visual. But Bob visual, we no give. We were about young visual. You no hinga kill to Bunin. Now what pay here? We have your more down the movie. What bomb move or Zono Marco. Imam will know why you go work in a Jawash in a whole. Don't want to deceive the social media. I will be if you need a young boy. If you need a young boy, Hatiti, Hepatiti, Hitamawe. He live, I am a young boy. I'm moving a young boy. A young boy, I'm moving a young boy. Wazua, Mamu, I was Zonumaku. Was you social media? Oh, I'm very anyhow person, low life human being, money pedigree, very useless set of human being. A Naija wash or be page or change a page at it or zoo. A Naija wash a call you when so that you will not come out on your platform to let the world know where then if you live in Latin, even Mama can't even more with that. When a Naija wash bring a page or bring a page or the love it button. The same way Vinivi, because now Vinivi have misunderstanding. The same way Vinivi came out and say you're more button. Now I will prove it to you. Bam. Well, Ozuo, Evianti were enogewi. Or when we come, when we zua, man, you understand? Why zua, zua, at the end of the month, Naija should be quality or very you were because in your control page you were. You monetize you monetize one. If you live here, on my career near on my boyfriend no years school, on my boyfriend, on my Yahoo boys. Why if you live here was no monetized this how many years? It may not know the knowledge social media no day. It monetizing it. May not know the. Iye no so ka wo ka bi esi oba no wo oba ne potopoto oba ne kworo oba no ge no so na maraki oba ne potopoto oba no stra no so no regemi o ka bi esi oba no stra no so no regemi oba na piko oba no hey logo oba le clitoris oba no si logo wa agwo. Why don't he monetize Oswald? In Naija wash wa agumera no na go agwa ngeli kalonya we ni gbe agya be cause Oswald kun we bi again why you will be expressive better when even when I am where ivie tia muwe my party Oswald no mako e ma mo no ma ni why see I adam we no because we wezu ale kan ho why fa no me nwaro odo ye am bibi wa kulu wa ye kuli wa kulu wa be ya ne go fara bra me ta di kuli o na me kulu wa ko kan ale so wa kan yo shan no bari ye like tomatoes wa ya ho yo abozo no mako ba bo mu yu a we kere gbe mi aguzo si ya si gu yu ezo si wa zua eno ge ma gbon we kere gbe mi aguzo si yu gbe mi aguzo si di ju na mo yin ma na mo yin me igbe after one month for a very anyhow person wa biju wa gbon yu yin we se fa we kere gbe when he made you with it, did you have a DMS because you were going to the guy able to market? What bijua? What do I make who have social media? And Naija was a great page in it. What do I come away a boyfriend if you or good you are Zua? I don't know how with you, maybe you're going with destiny. No. Anybody know with you is a dead human being. Any boy no low is a dead man. Any boy no low is a dead man living. Any man, any woman with lele, any man that sleep with TV always come out as a disgrace on social media. Udame yo, no wa ya dame yo, wanik bia no like who he now, or he yo bia mo kai. We no mami no he vie you no wuno, who he no gi no hang yo bia unya sike no, because bia no sike you no wa love your TV. That is the end of that man's destiny. Check all the men no love your TV or keke number 1. Nuna zuo enogi uwe nye ho were viviera atawo keke huye okeke yeke shift yin hu e ma na wa yi onu papa ya take no bi onu vivie ya tv no keke ya huye he ozo no makan wa do pent na social media uke me no ki wa na ime o le gukun because ube ge gatiti ya tv ya le wa ye tele la titi gun ani ha ozo no na le phone call bi no me we de bi ni vie uni na gbe vie ozo no makan et we are phone call about this man call me when even if you na gbe because we are ti deceive attitude e plan we na ti lad yan no do yin in Naija wash then if you but the lad because Naija wash there anyway everybody is not going to come after him for this that he has done. Naija wash there anyway people are not happy with what he has done. A lot of presenters are going to come after him and this is going to kill his career because 1 2 3 only you want. You do the same thing to what is this woman called? Sort of water ministry, Yori. And the same thing you're also doing to Atiti. Because you see this program in my school. Oh, my Yahoo boyfriend. Why did your Yahoo boyfriend keep my page since then? If you need I have been insulting you on the social media. You make this going on social media. What's your Yahoo boyfriend? The woman web page, man. If you have a Yahoo boyfriend, at the time I go one me. If you we talk because bad you tomatoes. What's the moment having your bossy when the web page even not the web page even not change it to anything change it to also no we can get away who are any way who was it jack but even I know what you talk we use was work a bin on a papa not care one you will not be or be if you want you are wow be a little bit of you are as Salo never bola will be like we be wagon or mono zua. Ashawo abie wo bie ashawo abia shi wele abie gbi age no wo abie wo bie obi apostle wazo we do alaja la video e we mu we ke ne nyanga no mu yuwa e nwo ya jalo ayo we obia me ha we ya jalo a ya ga mu yu me ngono ya bi studio ye kai we wa ye yo boy you mi vida yo a silo a no silo na e ngana ye bo gbe na train station mu yo wa wo mu ko yo wa very anyhow ma bia ne ku mu ma to ni pedigree man le very useless set of human being aba mu ha na ena jawo shi aluwa ya yu ya so odo azibon ma ebu ma yu wa so wa ya azuwa ngwa gele zuwa na the only people of zuwa le jawo shi bagura but they no give number one because you are a greedy man with who need food, who need money. Let you go o beneti you go ri zuwa le pe na yin ya give no ro nya agole ki na jawo shi o gwa le kia o yi gbe ya gwa lo pe o yi gbe gwa lo pe daddy my daddy, e pardon ogwati e pardon wa domo la yin omo ya nwe de lo me hanu de lo vi oni riyan o no ho anu wetin ko wo gan ozo nu ma kan imam no waye ko wa uzuwa gogoyo wati gbo oku uwe poko me no de ede hin agbe wo hu agbon yi o me no logo nu ya si ame yegbere aho ho anu o back when here for something years at this time I'm paro mo gwero wa bi me ha filo ko na ga di ye go and check animals wa me ya mo ya vinele we a me no ro ha na mo ha wa ya mo otinele we ya mo ho hiza no ya mo bi ye e ko na hiru otinele we o wa here o kwe mo wa a woman that doesn't have feelings for his children wa zuwa di ma gbeng mo si mo no ya mi igbo wa ma ya mi igbo ya mo lele ya mo picture ya ti peach I hear you, one mama. But both you couldn't live off your couldn't live here. Azua, working no gin over. Oh, you no give weak, and no give beggy. Nick Wimu. I have you with my phone in you. Who you with for the why it's GPC? GPC, GPC, we get a GPC here because they will phone it. Cocoa food, cocoa food, the cocoa food, my cocoa food in Wako, Wagon, Wagua, Wabola, Wayagbe. Wa yu hu wasefa kuwe ke monika na ho ani gbe aga no ho monika na meme o memu selu o si enwe la abo wa kuselu psychiatric because why e side psychiatric ni o samele lu wa yagbe meme na me buselu wa guo na ba bo mu yu awo wa ya gbe wa gbo kuwe ke na jawo shi no ho na jawo shi no mani wa ya si ai o si kalo na ekiti dobi ye na ekitara me ye kovia wa zuwa wa rogo na gbo wa hun ale mani me human sympathy wa salwa wa bola wa gbe social media do mi gwe a uzun ade exact yokuta wa salwa a fi anya gbe me ro o me gwa fi anya gbe o we ni me ye meta o ro logo gbe na ri correct uzo ma ege tinye ro wo wata lakpa yen wa yisi e ba hin na wa hin ona basu wa hiana wa ya ro maro won fe eni robot efia wagwo mo wanya wa pa o gida mo wanya wa pa o ma gba hopche a uzon wa de yame wa hin kuta amalize estuwi a se ba ni wa na e porojaka wa bola wa gbe ai mo ni ho wa mon agari ici et moi ewe bosi meme ewe bona na ina si meme ne zuwa na la yagbe the social media onya iwa la no ga bi aga ne vele guy eno gya de ma no lewe hia ai bi aga lewe ali bi aga no repare se ya vele lewe no ya ho agunu ya ho ni ba bomu a ma gbon we nwe no ma no ta wa de ni aha meme nwe and in the end we platform we gbe won hin agbo e then ya wa hin me we platform we gbe hin agbo e ma na e topic we atabeti kan ka agbo agbe wo ne wa bo mu wa o ko ka di enu mu yo wa iyo ko no mu yo no ho lo no tok tafia woman be da fon la video sans la all you la di me na pepeye da fun ila David ori nlo o se mo ni kan ka mo pupu ye kene mo ni ka mu nu wa go O heje we gidi na me bi. Ya akara kwa, ya akara gbo yu wa. Ozwonu mako. When we kisi go moda last. Aba gbe bani. O ma yesa na ya me go yu ohun. Wa bia ki bia gwafo na ke ga mu go yu ohun. Abira iwu na abi yu egwu na ha na we bere ha na mu go yu ohun wa azuwa. Iwo na ya mu go yu ohun bere ya. Azuwa wa hoyo wa bo mu abo. Gboro. They want the phone say they get sense. They get sense. Naija Watch don't go talk to Inogi. Here and them with Ivie, they don't collide together. Okay, Ivie, you know what? You go say, don't worry. Now we they run now. Naija Watch, maybe you relax. Say now you know be you doing. I me doing. I'll come and say that my boyfriend I doing. Now this one get sense. I'll come and say that my boyfriend I doing. Now we they run now. You must come apologize to you. That insult will breathe to you, so you come apologize to you. If you don't say apologize to you, we'll still ask who was you. You say now what Naija Watch do. What Naija Watch do? I don't affair me, boy. And that kind of want for you. Ogun ogbu when Naija Watch where ogun yan gbe. Now make all the cost you now, idiot. Now the same thing you do with a don't affair me, boy. YouTube channel. And at time if you not to tell a don't affair me, boy. If you got to call a don't affair me, boy, tell a don't affair me, boy. Say in the call Naija Watch. Naija Watch saying go release a don't affair me, boy channel until Frank come out come beg. If Frank beg him. Because if he release her now, you can't be like saying he can release them because of the threats. We Frank threatening them because of the cause. We Frank the cause. Now we can call release the channel. So make Frank come out, come beg. If Frank beg, he will release the channel. That's why he sought a daughter of him. Why this is stupid? They don't say they arrest Naija Watch arrest my father. Now people call the beg. If you don't know, may know now. This is me was the reason I made that apology that year because. If you not go take Tafia, I don't Tafia me, but say if Frank, Naija was supposed to release that channel, but because of the insult where Frank don't give Naija Watch, he don't go release her. Unless Frank come beg her, he go release the channel. As Tafia and the boy come tell me, say, see what in the video tell her. Now so okay, brother, don't worry. So for me, they release that channel. If no apologies he wants, I will do the apology. But make sure say they make sure say they release the channel. I will apologize. If that's what will make him to release the channel. That was the reason why I came out categorically to apologize to that animal. That was Zonuma Konowi in Naija Watch. No ho. And after I still apologize, finish, he not still release the channel. He not release her. You don't even what see you don't see you do you wear glass yawe na papa just go and when I chief tax collector or tap computer. Analyze it. It will live video presented here last. This saga now you must only saga last. A school I know you a saga do yawo babo muao. Naija Watch you know who a very evil family. Useless set of people. I want who down because they who down who you are nisi. Say the kind of people you are going out with. Why whatever in Naija Watch support your social media? They are the evil people. The people that Naija Watch is controlling their channel, their Facebook page on social media, they are the evil people. If you know you, check all of them. The same Naija Watch, or exactly your few nugedo. This same Naija Watch. You see the yore na few nugedo. I will not go or give us one guana. Or give you nugedo, una si less yore ai. Una ya quigo, una yore migo, una suck your blood. Eating from a yore, yore na talk boy. A sweat yore and bon. Thinking that we are educated. I bet you not do you go no support you whenever one lawa ya go no you was a fat wa bel agbon. Abun done. Abun done ma get to dey. Iya what in your school. A school here you wan wayo. Ken the America ke yan wan no fast train na degdu wanya. I bet you not pack no ma gwa le guna. Wa bel agbon done. You to be on V for scap you what not tire. Yeah, our government is not doing something. Our governor talk what a governor no say. Kuwa ko baseki when the baseki social media when the baseki platform in Naija Watch. No baseki on talk wagun. Wa yun se fa. Baseki ma so wa. O pe no dey go wi yan yan so na mo gboto. O ma what is baseki? Wa gbe o. E can tosi. E can baby. Abe suno kagele. And then what is this? Suno kagele. One bell go come on. No, boy channel social media. O go here boy. Naija watch mo iti enu na. Wa agbe o, ndan. Wa bo lawe gbe. We ma mi ro pa. Time we eje na, ehyan man we Naija watch wo joke yi. It time away from the beginning. It's not go better for you. It's not better for you. It's not go ever better for you. Because we don't susuku. Every year we do tedo. Oh, kado haya velavian. Oh, kado. On a big boy that riga back up and now joking. It's not bad no bogodo. A bomb work if you know war. If you don't know war, it's a dead man living. Only so it can't do anything. It can even not hear up boy. You will never see if you live to do adverts of good thing. As big as this social media as a whole, a lot of presenters, when the Monica have a course, when the Monica was to say, a Monica or what ambassador for this social media, it's ambassadors of some people as worse as Monica. Monica is still ambassador of people. As many a lot of it was to say, a lot is also ambassador. Different. See all these new presenter women that just came out today. They are different ambassador of different company. If you, why are you backward? Kuwa ke lovely you ya. Why back on the day so you can not do. Why back? A lovely young must work with a lovely or yet a bow him. On marking on Lomo, you know, Philomoko, only almost you go, whatever power or killing you with your cup, only you go anywhere. All way, what can you dig with the social. No, we are going on down because why? And you know, dig became with. When somebody is telling you for the truth, why I got it, why I'm able to loud. Yes. Oh, man, tell what I'm on. You only worstest woman, the social media. It's Evie. Because her heart is full of evil. Her heart is full of bitterness. You can never see if you're celebrating people for good. You always celebrate evil. You always celebrate one person in tears. Can you imagine the other day? He came out to do 7 days candle night for late Oguname. What are you celebrating? You were celebrating Oguname's death. You thought you are putting on black, carrying the candle night on candle. You have never celebrated when somebody born for this social media for 7 days. The next day you still come out and rock pada. The other day you still come out and rock. You never talk about it. Oh no, we celebrate social media or one way better celebrate her. Social media, it never happened. She always celebrates death because she's full of evil. She's a demonic woman from the pit of hell. From the pit of hell. Naija was ukpu avona no ya deriyeki. Ukpu akewe wa vona no ya deriyeki every month. Because I can't imagine before you start doing things, you think you don't always think they are disadvantage. You always think of it time I was before. The first time you have a contact with me, you think it's a joke. The first time you have a contact with me, 2019, I told you, Naija was, give me my money. Give me the money where you owe me. 2019. And I'll be all those guys secondary school drop out live video presenters where they carry their video. They're going to teach and anything you can compensate them and what I give them. I'll not be that kind of person. Well, you like business and you want to do business, but you want to be eating on people. That's the reason why I deviate from you. And I told you, look, I saga person where you take make money. And I go saga you to make money. Go mark my word. You cannot understand. I saga people that year, which is Murphy face. Where you they carry. Get time on my say, now your turn with this. You understand? Every day for the thief. One day for the owner of the house. Just they said that they pick people video, they post, they blog. They go still blog your own. Another blogger, they go blog your own. Oh God, they go still blog your own, my brother. Oh, because why? Your heart is full of evil. Can you imagine on your birthday how many people celebrate you? You are one of the biggest bloggers. Is diaspora concerned. On your birthday, how many people celebrate you? If you get sense, you're supposed to use that one and get wisdom. If you get sense, you're supposed to know, say, you are going without saying goodbye. On your own birthday, Nigeria Watch. So, how many people celebrate you? Very anyhow, man. You are before they reach your house, they go pass gate. All the Yahoo way you do, all the fraud, all the Yahoo, and at the end, no more you way. Or no collect a page. You collect this one page, you collect that one page, you go die, leave the page. You go die, leave the page. This page we will talk to, we all go die, leave this page. But what will people talk about you when you are gone is what matters. Social media don't turn to cultists. Social media don't turn to a year and a year. We don't get this one, we don't get green house, we don't get black house, we don't get yellow house for social media. We don't get PDP, we don't get APC for social media. Because of Nigeria Watch. You get a group where they support. You get a group where they say you they blog. Nobody go near those group. You get a group where they say you don't blog. The group where they blog, if the next group where you don't blog offend them, they go report to you, you go kill their page. And you think say we just cover our eye, we look you. And they painting those people with the demonetize. One thing, I'll keep saying it, and I'll keep saying it. If Nigeria Watch monetize your page for you, and not be your account number, your own, you will get the page. Not be your bank account did that page. You are going without saying goodbye. If not be your own email, not be you receive the email alert, did that page. No problem with it. But I know Nigeria Watch. I know her. You understand? Any money where they come, sometimes a month. Facebook they pay 2 times a month. 2 times a month. Facebook they pay. You don't understand me, so Baba all this power. You make your go. You make your secret. So when they monetize, when they have business, they monetize. So if not be your own, if not be your own account, they there. Sorry. Sorry for Nigeria. Sorry. Sorry. So let's go there. This one. Today I'm waiting. Today should be 11, right? Yes, today's 11. This on the 8th of October. On the 8th of October, Facebook sent me email of payments of remits. On the 8th of, even though the money is small money, they send them. And if you check your account, the money go enter. They go send you receipt like this. They go send you receipt. Facebook will send you receipt where they will pay you. If they monetize your page, of course, surprise. On the 10 again, back, they still send me come another man. And the reason that they send you the money, if you like other stuff, we get fan badge now, fan badge. If fans will support you, we love you, supporters badge. When they love what you do, they support you. They support you with every month. Some say 10 euro, some say 20 euro, some say 15 euros, some say 50 euro. They go to use and they support you every month because they love your program. They use and support the program. You the day yourself. Someday they go say every week. So it depends on the where your fans still support you, where you program with your Facebook page. Now so the money go to they come. And as the money they come, Facebook don't collect their own for inside. They won't give you your own. They go send you email. And at the email now they show us so. The email, that which is the allowed. Now they show us so. They go send that for you. And you will look, check your account, the money will be there. But we understand now. So if you don't say not be your account, now do your page. My sister, you are working for Nigeria Watch. If Naim monetize you, if not be him, or your own, because I know my guy, I know I still behave. Because greedy man, Because if they greedy, they see you don't know anything. Because if you know say you don't know anything concerning Facebook, he won't cheat you well. He will want cheat you. Now in work be that one. He will want cheat you, and I saw they cheat all this our women. All these women, all of the nana, they say nobody should carry my video. Nobody should carry my video. My brother, sister, you are doing yourself. Whether they carry your video, whether they don't carry your video, you are this. Some of you people, your video, they make money. Oh yes. Some of you know when they say they don't carry my video. Yeah, I tell them the truth. We don't know. Now we they sit down, they watch people video. They see, they view, they like, they love. Some of you now, as I know they talk some of you now, they mention her name, Mama Boy, yes, all of you now, what they do, all of you now, all those Monica gang. Una video don't they make money? Ask bloggers. Go ask bloggers where they blog on a video. And they go check bloggers. Some bloggers will be saying they never reach 200. They get views like 2K view for their video for people video where they carry. They never reach 200 though. People video where they don't carry. You go give the views. You don't understand me so? But you see now where the so now where Nigeria watch the support. Una video not the big view. So why boku? And they tell una bloggers where they carry video. Be careful of the kind of video where you they carry and mention their name. You understand? I mention their name. So Mona they know. So now so that one be. So my people agree to now. But one thing I just want why I quick bridge this video this topic come because of Enogi and if and because I see Enogi did live videos now they change the topic. They change everything. Say now if you boyfriend, if you friend your boy now, oh my follow if you because we don't blow me so. I'm not here now. Me I simply the audio deal with me. They don't give you one know why they beat the go and watch all my video where they beat the I beat the with evidence. Obion, that's me for you. I beat her with evidence. You feel me? If I deal with her, they play the evidence. You see the way they play this your national item now. You understand? That's why they beat the video. So that's why they beat some. So that may go watch my video. Don't need to ask questions. Say what if you do. You understand? Don't need to ask what if you do. On that boulevard. Yes, but people agree to now, but that's time. Now see my topic there. Why did men abandon their children for their baby mama? I know say that abandon, not spell that word. It's supposed to be ABANDON. You understand? So today, me I feel right now back me opinion here. Because we will really talk about this issue. You understand? This issue, John, what makes single mother Sarah. Oh God. Nancy kind. You say husband enter house. Oh, by this house now, husband they outside. Which is hard to make an enter again. No, besides house, I see enter so. Now you this outside with this house. You understand? I this house, so I not be like you will not get parlor for your house. You will buy 2 houses. Once you want buy 2 houses, you cannot get parlor. Can you imagine? Now inside want for the makeup. Hey, fake life people go angry. Fake life not go keep person for social media. Is you wala where they go? Is you wala where they go? Where they go? Oh, why no forget the you can? Oh, why no forget the you can? Where they go? My sister. Oh, we've with the UK. Have a palo. You know we've a palo. Where they make up with the palo? Eh? When they have makeup, we want to everyone accommodate to why you want to when you have makeup in the palo. You see all along. Okay, let me block you. You don't write rich. What is your name? Nancy. What better be you are? Nancy. Ye. Etu you ever look. Amami no yo. How you? Our bijou. You safe. Obi omonazen bien oji. I know, and I could work and support Monica Wagbe, Abu done. Our battle project. I said that I'm UFO now. Well, my one can I have national, and my one can. If I have national, my one can because yeah, abandon them. I've got a motor. So why do men abandon their children for their baby mama? That's what the topic we're talking about today. Yes, so today's topic goes many people heard. Because a lot of things they happen when they give blames to men now. See, a man can be abandoned in more Nigerian, no matter what. Man can be abandoned money. But once you want to understand, you see, some men get principle, and some men, we all will be Africa. You understand? So it depends on the kind of way where the relationship they go. You go make the man go say, okay, this is more Larry, let's go. You understand? So yeah, about money. But it depends where the relationship go still go. The man go say like communicate you money me, my only let them go. Majority of now our women that they pass through that kind category today. For this Europe, category. Some of our women, una go born, una husband not go right name for the picking. Una declare single mother, whereas you get husband, you will go claim single mother. You get the one where they happen now for America and Nigeria. He. The most richest girl in Nigeria, I call her richest girl in Nigeria. That Benin girl, we collect person husband. You understand? When I'm person for my husband, I call her person for my husband. The thing they trend now, I mean the latest news now, they trend now, threaten, even threaten this side. Now, why men they abandon children for their woman? They ask. This is our broad soon. Woman go get belay for man. You go see the go road walk. You go get belay for man. You go see the carry that same belay where you get for man. They carry and they go road walk. Then another man they shook you. Then tell me how that man go to accept you and that picking. That one join up. I want to listen. Because all these things, before we go through the solve all this problem of single mother, we need to know what they cause this single mother. We need to know what they cause, what they make our men hearts come dark like this. They can't use our women like saying a ball. They can't use our women, they play ball. Our women go born for them, they go abandon picking, abandon the woman, which is not fair. Which is not fair. Because if to say and so they abandon us, our parents take care of us, we will never get sense. The first thing we do abroad, now government they take care of. Government take responsibility. It not mean say man only take their responsibility. Children with two person train, they get brain where it better pass when one person train. Just like children did this last time, they make noise and say, will you sit down there? Sit down there. Oh, yeah, go on down there. Oh, yeah, go on down there. The man go to cook. Okay, you are cooking. Let me lose this children. You go lose this children. He sweet pass it. Although the picking, before the picking goes scatter the moat, the man go to the kitchen, no go do. That's why they say two heads is better than one. So what did they cause her? I want to know. I want to know our women. We want to call this one. No, I'm not go call now because this one don't affect women. Women no go call. If you not we just the one take call for 5 days ago, before days ago. One I call now. This one on our own cage. This one where to make men they are abandon picking. They give single mother. We want to know. We want to know the reason why men. Why you see some women. Their own picking, their own father, said baby father. You go even want me, they would see the children. The woman not agree. Now one will solve last week here. Last week here, now we solve one. Vera for Spain and what they call France. That one never even grow. Baby that 2 years plus now. You never want me the father call the same. So wait till be the problem where they get, where our women get, where make them be see. Our men don't agree. Our men don't even use I see their children. We woman born for them. Where they forget now, they like sleep with that woman and they pour for that woman thing. Put the border picking. Me have type my number here. The comment terrifie me. Okay then. 508 23588. Young. Let's go there. That's my number. Why is it that our women, our men, they abandon their children for their baby mama? Because when we ask questions, we get different reasons. Hello? Hello, speaker. So, why Musa? 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 Yeah. Yes. Yes. Exactly. Yeah. Yes. Yes. You. That's good. Yes. A 50-50. Oh, man, 50-50. Yes. Yes. Jadi, na make the topic. Mina na make the topic. Mina, em wadu mure na. Yo. Egbe no ko we do ya mo lati han. O ni mi ya no mi ya ya mo lati han gbo we mi gba e. O keke ma ma e mo dan ni lo keke ma yan. Yes. Mm. Yes. 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 No wala. No wala. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. No wala. Thank you. Thank you very much. No. 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 No wala. It didn't color him. It color him. It when it color him, me I color him. Understand? All right now. Thank you very much. I appreciate. Yeah. Yes, so my people. It's hard one where why those men abandon their children for their baby mama. Why men? Some men I'll be calling them. I'll tell you know what baby mama is doing. Oh God. Hey God. Ikwe my soul. Hey yo. Ikwe my soul. Nyimenu wanyi. Undigo. Unyimenu wanyi. Undigo. Then tomorrow you come, you are a single mother. Ikbeama. But why tell me no soon no ogwezo. Egwelo yari abi. Ikwe mweko. We mweko. Who can be where you they go Germany, you they go Austria, you they go France. We are yeko saleka you. Understand even turn down. We are yeko saleka you. Ikuma gama ya yupo. Ya makoni yupo codedly. Nero money no makoni any. You understand? Or a keka when no beer, or do a camp. Wadam yo ekini ku iku madu ero money ka yin we ekoni yemu ekoni we mu lipo bi ano ene gbe wu yemu eyin panya mu asas we yemu ekoni ya do vaga o mo na ti bi e wo so na mi mo emotion na ya me different color o mo na stand o ti bo na esa da para Michael esa da para Morocco esa da para ti Dutchman esa da para Italo o understand problem. Nothing at Tananya. Eti mataya social media where we need DNA. Oh, no boo hey yigbe. Oh, no boo hey yigbe no responsible. Where you be a tally we need DNA. We need DNA. Oh, no boo hey yigbe no responsible. No bahara yigbe. Ne uge dia we na tally. Aga tally lewe we need DNA. These are the same people. What's in another game? What's in when we be a what's in another wedding? Because of when we galero, or when we be a cocune, or my entire one, or one of them on Naira. If we move when no, with the whole general, no way, a conshot, it can't hold you. Go yet, live video. Do I tire to unya o ge do ra gun o ge do re ya wo lo la dian edegbe ami e ma ta wonu awa bioko ni bioria now what see na mi we ipe abadon ni mo ne ipe ma we bo ni bo ye na ikin si go more down because where it's overall because of benefits amaka say I you are not lazy. Equal the I go now because I think all equal I mean yes one this gongo equal I mean no get la dinner wa ta we me my equal. You understand? Why buy this one go now no ba re bani. The reason why ne na abandon equal. Na abandon e money and equal be ni abandon kinya ke money o ni equal ni ko ni am money. Equal so wa ro na ya ye e ya gwa le gbe to da fi ya mi ya da fi ya send. Hello. What up, Bell? What up? So, more speaker. Okay, man. Thank you very much. Wow. Wow, that's great. You deserve one. Yeah. Kure, you are going to be suspended. Yeah. Thank you very much. Amen. You are right. Ologbo Junction. Kure. So since then, Jesus. That's a nice one. That's a nice one. Thank you very much. God bless you. Oh, Mama, you want to make me? God will bless you. This kind of word when you talk, what we did last week, people they learn. There's people they learn. Medicaid. Amen. Okay, man, I'll do that. Okay, man. Exactly. All right. Amen. All right, man. Thank you, man. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. All right, man. All right, man. Thank you, man. I appreciate you. It's it's uh, so thank you, man. Wow, that's a nice one. Jesus. Oh God. Some of our women we good. Now God will bless you now. Some of our women, some of our single mother, we good, we if stand single-handedly train their children to the highest level. May God richly bless all of them. Because why? Many reasons we make some women be single mother. You understand? Even as them be single mother, they not still useless themselves because a man won't be get me any man will come bo, any man will come bo, any man will come bo like some of our women some of our women will did them they do. Anyone already what they bo, anyone already what they come what they bo. I what they I what they make I what be cake I be first play I be second play I be plaster I be shiny I be rough if it's a home ekenana be mirike na be patik akpo lewe de agbe iko ni buma na akpo lo wa every day the Europe na 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 ina detina was you go kan ti bo rian e does ya igbobo A television, you might not hear television, you might not hear television. It does not go not good talk. For this abroad. But a dog bag me. I'm only Matty who do a dog bag me. A dog bag me street. A dog bag me. Here, Marie, me, you are. Here you go. 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 The man metal. Understand? Which is very, very bad. There are things that man looks in the life of women. If we so wrong, we are dirty. Oh, have you ever asked yourself why? When you enter the house as a man, nobody will tell you that this home is a responsible woman in this house. But the West run where handler, when you enter the house, nobody will tell you this home is an irresponsible people of one. Hello. Good evening, man. Greet you. Fire down.
The comments where you bring a good something. That's one thing you go know. Some of these men, they lie well.
Yes.
Because when it don't happen, they will consider that the women are not ready to marry. No woman will not like to stay husbands with children. But they did together as one family. You know they. Some women not good we know, but majority men, not be all. The way that they treat our women for this Europe, that makes single mother plenty.
Really?
You understand?
Yes.
That makes single mother plenty. Like I be one single mother with 2 children. Now let me take care of my children. If I don't marry now, I deal with husband. Now let me take care of my children. The man when he leave me with 2 children, then Nigeria, I don't marry. But the 2 children, I take care of them. I see no daughter now 13 years. Now let me. Now maybe mama, now maybe papa for them.
What to your husband? Where the man will turn you to single mother in Nigeria?
But then Nigeria, I don't marry. They with your family for Nigeria.
They deport them.
I don't know as my children they take it.
They deport them.
No, now I take go back to Nigeria.
Okay.
They live in resign for work, go back to Nigeria. Now Benin man. Me I not be Benin.
Now old man, don't old. You know old man you go born for.
Not be old man, no. You're not old.
Before person call resign for work, go back to Nigeria. That means
go back to Nigeria because Nigeria don't cry. Say business. Nigeria I won't go doing business. Yeah, now suffer, work house. They like to do business. You understand?
Yeah.
When they reach Nigeria, no lie we're not telling family. No lie we're not giving family. Tell them they believe her.
Which lie say you truly for outside?
No, I never train load for outside. The house now me and I buy I go train load for outside. I not fit do that kind of thing. They go tell them say they work when they work. At times me go call police for her. This that many times and I never call police for her. When they beat me self, I never try and call police give her one day.
But you are in the quarrel.
Who they quarrel?
So,
now they beat me.
So they beat you.
I go run, go outside, go stay.
You not call police for her?
No, I not do it one day. If I do it, I'll take picking from my hand now. I make me I not call police one day. I not call police for her. And one day now my daughter tell her, that time my daughter small, now my daughter tell her and say, now you the beat mama. Take Italian and tell her and say, if police answer, you go tell her, now he's shocked. Say, this thing daughter go put on for problem. You know, children when they're born for you, not they lie now. They know they lie.
That's true.
They know they lie. And one thing when all these fathers they don't know, children when you born for Europe, when as a father you not take care of them, you don't expect anything from them. Because they know who take care of them. They know. They know who take care of them. My daughter they talk her now. Say papa not do anything for life, so no to call and disturb her. Because at times the father they call my daughter. They talk to her. My daughter block her. I don't even beg my daughter make it unblock her. I say lie unblock her. I say they disturb her. Go call her, they quarrel with her. You know, call your daughter as a father, advise her and say, how you go for school? Hope you prepare to go university. You know, they talk about that one. Wait till you call her, they tell her, they say, you don't sabi cook. Actually, they prepare, you don't sabi prepare food. Which kind of food you sabi prepare? I like food, they call her for. They talk of food. You know, they talk of school. You know, they advise her and say, follow good friend, not follow bad friend, or not follow friends when they smoke or drink. Now that kind of advice I expect from her as a father. You understand? The get advice you give your daughter once you know say you don't go the age of when go to get some kind of friends they go out. Now that kind of advice as the father is.
How old is your daughter?
13 years.
Akure, don't be good.
Don't big passing age. You say this is 18 years girl.
Yeah.
But you always talk of food. Food. Now they talk about anytime you call and the girls end up tired. Anytime you call and a kitchen matter, they talk, they talk better. Then the doctor block her. They call and they cost me saying, me tell the daughter may block her, my small daughter go block her. I say, come on, not be me. Not be me. As a father, you go change.
That's true.
Because the girl knows that they do anything for life. Just call and they disturb and they talk about kitchen all the time. When the time reach, you go enter kitchen. I tell her, so when the time reach, for now, she's too small, they fear. Because assisted socially, they control. That Italy has they do things now.
So what you go to do now? Now you go to call the man, they give you picking phone. If you want, anytime you want to talk to a picking, you give him phone. Since the picking block him.
No, my brother, I not go do. I made the picking give her the punishment 20 feet more. I not give her.
Okay.
I not give her. They not deserve her because he know what he do the daughter, and I made the daughter the punisher, my brother. He know what he do the daughter. Notice some father useless. He know what he do when be saying abomination, my brother. What I'll talk for phone. You know what he do the daughter.
Okay, I understand. You understand
now? Yeah. Get what he do the daughter when be saying abomination. And the daughter talker, not be me talker. When I confront her, they cost me. I tell her, say, no, be me talking now. Your daughter talk and say, see what you do.
That's the way I understand. I understand.
You understand? So father useless. They useless.
Understand.
They don't know say anything way they do small picking go come out to go talk.
Exactly.
You understand?
Exactly.
I don't know. Me I know be woman when they depend on man. It's 20 years now they work for this country. 20 years now they work.
No wala. Understand. Thank you very much, man.
Thank you. Okay.
All right. Yes, so my people, I'm saying a small thing from club that they enter dance. You understand? Okay now. You see what in that woman they talk now? Fat day inside. Some men are useless. Some men are useless. Don't be lie. That's the very story come from me. Will be say, in husband, in 5 years old daughter. In 5 years old daughter for this Europe, you go put her for lap. You go carry cassava come out. So they put the picking mouth, the picking the sucker. 5 years old. So this is Europe over this. Chair.
Hello, brother.
I agree to hope.
Good evening, sir.
Hello.
But I
very my video.
Video.
Our speaker.
Okay. I really thank you for this message you bring also, my brother. It's a very good message and it's an educative message. We need to educate our women and educate our men, especially with the Benin's. You understand?
Yeah.
You know this abandoning of children where you they talk about so now. I want to remember you, my brother. This thing started from Africa. You understand me now?
Yeah.
Now our men, now I start to they do Ross men. Not be women start more. You know, say Benin women not create outside. You know.
Yes.
Benin women not create outside, but you know, say Benin women not the carry last. Anything where you teach them, they do and pass the way they teach them.
Exactly.
Now, this abandonment of children will happen. Like me, I don't sit for Europe. Maybe if I see the calculator, I don't see the calculator about 22 calendars where I don't see each away from my room. Now, the life where we meet, or the one will take growth for Nigeria, like me now, where they talk to you today, now my mother, now he take care of me. While my father, they follow different women, they go.
Yes.
My father was the roadman, while my mother was the housekeeping of
was the housewife. Was the housewife.
Now they cook, now they do everything, now they take off our school.
Exactly.
You understand me now? Now, you know, say that mentality, there's some of the mentality where we Benin carry come abroad, which we need to abolish it at.
God bless you.
Before it's too late for most of us. And I want to use this medium. Remember our Benin boys. Now Isha boys come no say, now he call the 10 most of us say, we need to put woman for house. Isha men, now he call the 10 Benin people say, woman they important for house.
Exactly.
Hello, you see? So boys there this Europe, the year when we enter Europe, they go get 7 girlfriends. They never even get at all. He go from one state. Maybe he take Italy, they go from Torino, go Napoli, from Napoli, Genova, he go here. Now different women have. He go pick that monthly money, he go pick around. Okay, now you not tell me that say if that boy can't give 7 girls, Bele, I want to stay with all of them.
That's true.
Why those women not go be single mother? I'm my brother.
Don't be like you get point there.
Okay, now I want to give you one point. People when they listen to me, when they listen to me, there was one popular musician where he did this abroad before. He gave 8 women, Bele. 8 women.
8.
Today, those women are single mothers.
What will be the name of the musician? Idada
of Torino.
That's the Don Dada.
Yeah. The Don Dada.
Oh, Lobo Johnson.
My brother, when you trade on women's business, my brother, you know what is going to be the end of your life? Destruction. Are you hearing me now today?
Yes.
Because I'm so happy when you bring out this message. I just want to contribute to it, and I want to enlighten most of the Benin boys and the younger ones that is still coming up, that is trying to emulate the footstep of their father, that is not a good one. I want to tell them today that it's not a good one. When you find your love, try to stay without your love.
Exactly.
And try to build your home the way you want it to be.
God bless you.
No woman they perfect, no man they perfect. Are you hearing me now, my brother?
Exactly.
No woman they perfect, no man they perfect. But now woman, now you get house. And a woman go tell you, see the way you want to run your house for you. And if you want to last for life, now that woman life, now you see your hands, your life sit there with that woman.
Exactly.
I'm not joining the women, but I want to tell you today, because all this is what we have to talk today. Not carry the blame, go give the women. Just focus on we the men. Me, when they talk to you, I be Benima. But I'm married for 22 years now. I'm proud of myself. You understand me now?
Exactly.
Now, what am I trying to say today, sir? Let's talk about this Germany and France that destroy everybody today, because all of us that is talking today in this live video, all of us started from Italy, and all of us know the way we started.
Exactly.
The woman will take pastor for husband as an Italian woman. Try make call one Italian woman and make call. The husband get 3 baby mama, where give her belly. The husband get 3 baby mama now, where give her belly. When Germany with France open, you see our men start to do press up. They start to send some of them go France, some of them. Most of all these women you are seeing today will come be single mother, where they claim single mother, they don't want remit. They don't want remit